So despite the amount of information that's out there, there's still a lot of uncertainty surrounding how to properly wash your hair. And the question gets asked disproportionately often for how simple the process should be. So I'm making this video to hopefully put you at ease by providing my opinion on how to properly wash your hair. I'm gonna break it down into very simple steps, but it's important to note that I'm very aware that there are a lot of nuances when it comes to how to wash hair. And these nuances tend to make up most of the mainstream hair care narrative, like how often you should be washing your hair, what specific type of shampoo and conditioner you should be using, pre-washing, co-washing, air drying versus blow drying. And although these things are important, and of course there's nothing wrong with looking into these things and understanding them, I find that a lot of the questions people are asking seem to come from a lack of understanding of the fundamentals and what's actually happening when you're washing your hair. So as we go through these steps, I'm going to be providing insight and making points along the way, but keep in mind that if you've been confused or overwhelmed with washing your hair, it's probably because you're making it more complicated than it has to be. So with all that being said, just a quick reminder, if you like the video or you find it helpful, please hit that subscribe button. It really helps with the channel. Drop a like, and if you like my stuff, make sure you check out the links in the description to access all of the resources that I have available for helping you guys figure out your hair. Okay, let's get into the steps now. Okay, so step one starts actually before we get into the shower, and that is to detangle your hair with a brush if it needs detangling. It's important to make sure that our hair is as prepared as possible to handle the process of being washed. Brushing your hair before you get into the shower ensures that we have an even canvas to allow for our products to do their job effectively. Brushing hair will detangle your hair, it'll remove any product buildup that's there, it'll remove any loose hairs that have detached from your scalp but are still kind of stuck in your hair, which can cause snagging and breaking, and it'll also take the natural oils that have built up closer to your scalp and spread them out through the mid-strands and the ends of your hair, which are usually a little bit more compromised and need a little bit more protection, which is good for what we're about to do. But remember, keep it simple. Obviously, brushing your hair does all these things, but all you need to do is just brush it. Simple. Step one, brush your hair. Now that we're in the shower, step two is to fully saturate your hair with water. Now, obviously, you're gonna get your hair wet with water, but the point is to take your time to really allow the water to soak into your hair. Wet hair will swell and become softer, which will give a chance for any stubborn tangles or knots or dry spots to loosen up one last time before we apply our shampoo. Okay, so step three is to apply the shampoo. Now, this is the scary part, right? So listen closely and be sure not to miss anything. Ready? You take the shampoo, put it in your hands, and gently massage it into your scalp. Shampoo job done. Shampoos have lathering and detergent agents that are designed to lift and loosen oils and dirt. And that's what does the cleaning. You don't need to scrub super aggressively, but why would you even think to do that in the first place? It's probably because you don't understand shampoo. That's literally its job. Shampoo will do the cleaning. Your job is to take your fingers and make sure that it gets to where it needs to go, which is the scalp. So do so with the pads of your fingers for like a minute or two, then let the shampoo do its thing and you get to move on to the next step. Step four is to tilt your head back and rinse out the shampoo. Very simple. Do it however you're comfortable. Don't worry if it gets on the mid strands or the ends. It's not going to be there for very long, not long enough to do any damage. Just rinse it all out of your hair with a comfortable water temperature and we get to move on. Now, if you've been anxious about how to wash your hair and you've made it this far, hopefully you understand it's nothing to be scared of because all of the hard stuff is now out of the way. I think people get confused or scared or overwhelmed about washing their hair because there is so much information out there. But if you can do all of the things that we just went over, the hard, scary part about washing your hair is now over. Simple as that. After the shampoo is out of your hair, the washing and cleaning portion is completely done. Step five is to apply a conditioner. And unfortunately, a conditioner is actually very, very important. And here's why. When you shampoo your hair, you're removing buildup and dirt, yes. But in doing so, you're also removing the natural oil that your scalp produces that is very important for keeping your hair from becoming dry, damaged, and brittle. And these oils need to be replaced. So does conditioner replace these oils? Yes, but more importantly, what it does is even after you've washed it out, it stays in your hair to act as a layer of protection while your scalp takes its time to reproduce the natural oils that have been stripped away by the shampoo. Your hair will feel nice and soft after conditioning, which is great, but its lower key, more important job is to just basically buy time for your scalp to reproduce the protective natural oils naturally. So apply your conditioner from the mid strands to the ends and let it sit for a few minutes. Gently brush your hair with a wet brush if you have one, and while the conditioner sits, take this time to do any other business that needs to get done in the shower, like washing your face or your body or converting on your deliverables. This video is sponsored by Bluemon and is featuring their newest product launch that I'm very excited about, the Bluemon Revive and Replenish Shampoo and Conditioner. That's right, they've finally done it. A shampoo and conditioner by Bluemon. They sent me this box that included 10 fluid ounce bottles of both their shampoo and conditioner. They gave me this cute little shampoo brush, which is also available on their website. And they also sent me another bottle of their Ascend Volume Cream, which I didn't ask for, but I think they saw how much I liked it in my last video and then just included it in the package just for me, which is really nice because I use it on my clients all the time. But dude, you literally just learned how to properly shampoo and condition your hair. And now you can put it all to the test using the illustrious Bluemon Revive and Replenish Shampoo and Conditioner. And you can get it at 10% off using the discount code Jesse10 at checkout. Bluemon is a friend and supporter of the channel, so if you want to support me and want to get yourself started on your healthy hair washing journey, go check out the link in the description down below, and don't forget to use the discount code Jesse10 for 10% off your order. Thank you, Bluemon, and thank you guys for your patience. Now let's wrap up this video. The sixth and final step is to wash the conditioner out of your hair with a comfortable temperature of water, and then you are done. Take a breath, it's over. Gently dry your hair off by wrapping or squeezing your hair with a towel or a t-shirt if you're one of those guys, and then move on to whatever post-care or styling regimen you have set up for yourself. Like I said in the beginning of this video, there's a lot of uncertainty when it comes to how to properly wash your hair. But by keeping it simple and really just focusing on the fundamentals and understanding the process of what's actually happening, I think what you'll realize is it's not as complicated as people make it seem. And hopefully after this video, it seems far less overwhelming and scary. Remember that every shampoo and conditioner that exists out there that you're thinking of purchasing, all of them follow these exact same principles. So hopefully now you understand them. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll hopefully see you in the next video, whenever that is.